It's Black Friday, and Black Friday means deals and steals all across the internet. Let's take a look at what sales Signature Solar is having for Black Friday. Hello again, my solar addicted friends and family, my solar brothers and sisters, cousins, aunts and uncles. We're all solar addicted, and Black Friday is going to be a tough time for our addiction because there's so many deals happening that it's just mind-blowing. And its tax credits are going away at the end of the year, 30% tax credits. And I know a lot of you guys are going to want to get your orders in. You're going to probably want to pull the trigger on that deal during Black Friday. So Signature Solar has several deals on Black Friday, and we're going to get into some of those right now and show you a list of the Black Friday deals that are going to kick in at 7 a.m. on Friday morning. So here's a list of all the deals that are going to be happening at Signature Solar. The first one off the top is a real big one because energy storage is a big part of energy independence, and they're going to have 10% off on batteries. You know, if you're looking to add to your energy storage capacity, it might be a good day to do that because you're going to get 10 cents off on the dollar, 10% off batteries across the board. And then the second offer or deal or steal, should I say, for Black Friday is going to be the buy two batteries and get 10% off on an inverter. So if you're buying a whole system, you're going to buy inverter and batteries, you would get your 10% off on your batteries. If you bought two of them, you'd also get the 10% off on the inverter. So it's, like I said, a good time to pull the trigger on that full system that you might want to get. The third deal that Signature Solar has for Black Friday is going to be the $100 flat rate shipping on orders over $3,000. Now that excludes the pallets of panels. Those are, really heavy, and they would lose their butts on it if they gave flat rate shipping on that. I guess that means that individual panel orders, like I just did recently of 10 panels, would be covered under this. So number 4 is going to be the doorbusters flash sales throughout the day on panels. I guess that's going to be on various panels. They're also going to be doing flash sales on selected mounting solutions and then refurbished units as well. They're going to have some refurbished units that they're going to try to get out the doors during Black Friday, and they'll have special deals on that as well as some other products. And the fifth steal or deal for Black Friday is going to be select panels will be on deep discount. And then the sixth deal is going to be the clearance category on the website already that's listed is going to continue on throughout Black Friday. And some of those may also wind up in some of the doorbuster deals as the day goes along. So you might want to pay attention to the website as the day goes along and see what those flash sales are going to be and take advantage of it. So let's take a look at some of the items that you might want to pull the trigger on. I'll go over some of my favorites. I will have links in the description below. And like I said, if you use those links, you support the channel and you also will get a discount. So here we are on Signature Solar's website. We see the Black Friday sale being promoted on the splash page. But let me go over a few items that I personally are my favorites that they will have sales on. Like we said, that they're having sales on these batteries, and you get 10% off on batteries on Black Friday. So let's look at some of the batteries. My favorites, I'm going to go to the wall mount batteries. My wall mount batteries that I have are the EG4 wall mount all-weather lithium battery, the 280 amp hour battery or 14.3 kilowatt hour battery. It's one of my favorites. I have 5 of those. This is a battery that's been around for a while, and it's got great performance. I haven't had any problems with it at all. They cycle incredibly well, and they stay balanced pretty well without having an active balancer internally. And I really like these batteries a lot. Like I said, I have 5 of them. And the Black Friday sale, you can get 10% off on this battery. The current price on it is $39.99, and if we get 10% off, we actually get it for $35.99. So $3,600 versus, $4,000 with the discount from the Black Friday sale that's starting Friday morning at 7 a.m. at Signature Solar. So let's go look at another battery that I personally like a lot. So here we are on the server rack battery page of Signature Solar's website, and I have 6 of these LLS. Actually, I have the LLV2s, which once I upgraded the firmware on them, they became LLS batteries. They were the predecessor right before this battery came out. They were the battery that was the hot battery from EG4. EG4 batteries have good track record. They've been around for a while. I see a lot of people with various inverters using them, and everyone is happy with them. As you can see, it has a 5-star rating from 35 different reviews, but it's a very good looking battery. It's got the built-in breaker. It's a 100 amp hour battery, and I have 6 of them, and it has the little screen. They're going away from screens, so if you like the screen, you might want to pull the trigger on one of these batteries with a screen, because I got a feeling that screens are going to be going away on any future products coming out. So this battery right now is $13.29 for a rack mount 100 amp hour battery, 48 volt system. And if you buy it during Black Friday, so $1,196 for this battery on Black Friday. It makes it a little more affordable during Black Friday. It is UL listed. There's a lot of cheaper 100 amp hour batteries on the market, but this battery is UL listed. If you have to pass inspection, you're going to need that UL listing. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing things. Cheapest is not always best. It depends on your situation. So here are all the wall mount batteries that are for sale. And like I said, Black Friday, we get 10% off. My favorite is the all-weather wall mount battery. I have 2 of them on my patio, so they go outdoors. But for even less money, you can get the same capacity, 280 amp hours or 14.3 kilowatt hours indoor version of that, and it is a bit cheaper. So if you're not going to put them outside, this is currently on back order. It's a very popular battery because of price. The current price on them is $33.19. And on Black Friday, let's do a little bit of math again. It becomes $29.87 or $2,987 for the indoor wall mount battery that is UL certified, so it can pass inspection. And that's what you need to think about when you're comparing it to other batteries. There's a lot of cheaper batteries on the market from a whole bunch of different Chinese companies that are flooding the market with these 280, 314 amp hour batteries, which leads me to the new EG4 battery, which I personally would love to get my hands on. This 314 amp hour battery is new to the market. It's $3,700. So it's a 16 kilowatt battery, kilowatt hour, and it's 48 volt, but 314 amp hours. It's a wall mount, but it's indoor, so you can't put it outside. Now, like I said, they got rid of the screen. That's one of the things that's going away. It does have a 250 amp breaker on the side, and it has a couple of different features that make it very interesting. One of them is you have additional terminals here to connect either a charge inverter or to connect to maybe some rack mount batteries without using an external bus bar. Personally, I would use it to connect my charge inverter so I could add more energy to the system if I didn't get enough sun. That would be what I would use it for. But you still have these other 4 Degson Quick Connect terminals so that you can connect your batteries in parallel. Now, they also added these dry contacts, and the dry contacts is something new on these batteries. and that could be used for a rapid shutdown. It can connect to your rapid shutdown system. And as usual, it has your comms ports. It's got your CAN port here for your CAN communications. You connect to your inverter. You got an RS-485 port as well. And then you got 2 other ports for paralleling for comms going to connect to other batteries, so you can daisy chain your comms for your batteries. And this would have to be the master. I want to make sure we're clear on that. If you have other EG4 batteries, this would have to be your master because of the new software involved that automatically recognizes the inverter protocol as well as assigns battery IDs. You don't need dip switches anymore, but you'd have to make this the master even if you have other EG4 batteries. It will work with the other wall mount batteries. My favorite, the all-weather outdoor battery, and as well as the indoor wall mount battery, as well as your LLS batteries. Okay, so if you have those, this battery will work with that. And remember, we get that 10% discount on Black Friday. So on Black Friday, this $3,700 battery is now $3,330. So $3,330 on Black Friday, you can get this brand new EG4 indoor wall mount battery, 48 volt, 314 amp hours, or 16 kilowatt hours. Good deal. And it's a good looking battery. Let's talk inverters though. Let's say that you're actually buying a whole system and you're going to need batteries, so you get your 10% battery discount, and then if you buy 2 batteries you would get 10% off your inverter. Now currently I'm running the 18K PV along with a FlexBoss 21. So if you wanted to build a whole system and you bought at least 2 batteries and then bought a FlexBoss 21, you could get your FlexBoss 21 at a discount. The current price is $41.99. If we get the 10% discount because we purchased 2 batteries, then it would cost $37.79. So it makes the inverter a lot more, cost effective for you when you're buying a whole system. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, your FlexBoss 21 is a 16 kilowatt inverter. With PV, it could push 16 kilowatts, but it also doesn't need grid anymore to get to that 16 kilowatt max output. With the firmware update recently, the inverter now doesn't need grid to accomplish that 16 kilowatts. So another route that you might want to go as far as purchasing a battery and getting a 10% discount is the LG 16H Prime battery, which is a 16 kilowatt, 400 volt high voltage battery. Now this is not a 48 volt battery, so you would have to purchase a high voltage inverter. And I have 2 of these batteries connected to a Growatt 11.4 kilowatt inverter, and they work together really well. It's a nice battery. It's a modular design, makes it easier to set up. And 16 kilowatts for $27.50 is a pretty good price. So with the 10% discount on Black Friday, this LG 16H Prime battery, 400 volt battery, goes from $27.50 to $24.75, and that's $275 savings because of Black Friday. And if you buy 2 of them, then you've saved $550. It seems like the industry is going towards high voltage, so this is going to become more common than it is at the moment. And you may want to go that route depending on your research and what your plans are. So Black Friday is a great day for you to save money on that energy storage system that you've been waiting to purchase. We do have tax credits that are actually going to expire on December 31st, 2025 at the end of this year. So you may want to not only take advantage of the discounts that are happening on Black Friday today, but also take advantage of those tax credits before they go away. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We try to get you the best information as fast as we can. I really enjoy doing this for you. You can help my channel grow by liking and subscribing, as well as making comments. If you have any comments at all or questions, please feel free to do so in the section below. I also have links in the description below for my favorite things that are going to be for sale during Black Friday, and it costs you nothing to actually use my affiliate links, but it does help me grow the channel, and I would really appreciate that. So I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I hope you're looking forward to a very Merry Christmas by purchasing yourself a nice Christmas present from Signature Solar, and I hope to see you next time when we have more information on total energy independence, which is what this channel is all about. Take care, folks. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.